Oppo has launched its new smartphone under Reno 15 lineup in some selected European market as Oppo Reno 15 FS. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 15 FS features a tall 6.57-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1400 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Gorilla Glass plus AGC DT Star D Plus glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256 or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo Reno 15 FS sports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.1 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 80-watt SuperVOOC flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with ColorOS 16 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158.18 by 74.93 by 8.27 millimeters, and it weighs around 196 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 15 FS has been priced in Poland for 8GB plus 512GB storage variant at 1,599 Polish zloty, and the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in navy blue and twilight blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 15 FS smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.